We are so back with another tutorial. Today we will be doing this super trendy invisible liquid glass type of effect. So let's get into it. Big Mama blesses our timeline once again. The first thing we're going to do is grab our Rutu brush layer, double click, and now we rotoscope our layer. I'm not going to go super in depth on rotoscoping, but I'll leave a tutorial if you need one. Link is in the description. Now once we are done highlighting our subject, we play. Alright, so now the rotoscoping is done. Before you click on the freeze, we are going to duplicate our layer with Ctrl D. Now we're going to rename both the layers. The first one can be like subject, and second one should be BG for background. Trust me, renaming is important so you don't mix it up. Now for our subject, we're going to leave it as is and we're going to hit freeze. Now that's done, we'll go to our background. Make sure your invert is selected, then click freeze. Make sure you double click on the background layer before you try to freeze. I have made that mistake a couple of times. Now we're done with the rotoscope, we can head back into our composition. Now as you can see, now we have our background layer and our subject layer. It's not perfect, but it will do for the tutorial. Now we're going to turn our subject layer off, and on our background layer we're going to get our content aware fill. If you can't find it, check Windows. So now just copy these exact settings, then generate fill layer. Now that looks good enough. Our next step is to take our background to the top, then select both the background and the fill, right click, then pre-compose. Make sure moving all attributes and adjust composition is selected, then click OK. We can turn this back on. Now on our pre-comp, we are going to type in displacement map. On the displacement map layer, we're going to change from pre-comp to sub and source, effect and mask. Horizontal displacement goes to luminance, same with the vertical, then wrap pixels around. Now to get the effect popping, we're just gonna crank this up, really crank it up to whatever feels comfortable, like so. Don't let this mess you up, just rotoscope good. That's pretty much it. You know what, I'll fix that up. And there you go guys, that's the effect. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More tutorials coming soon. Bye.